In this video, the host presents the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Maybach S680 as a symbol of luxury and comfort in the premium class. The exterior design of the car exudes elegance with its elongated body, exquisite chrome details, and prominent Maybach logo on the grille. The front LED headlights not only shine brightly but also project symbols onto the road for safety. Moving inside, the interior of the Maybach S680 is described as a sanctuary of absolute comfort. The seats are made of soft Napa leather, and all surfaces are finished with the finest materials. The rear seats are compared to a first-class cabin on an airplane, offering amenities such as massage, recline control, and even a refrigerator for champagne. The car's technology is impressive, with the highlight being the MBUX hyperscreen. This large control panel is described as intuitive and beautiful, while the customizable atmospheric lighting adds to the overall experience. The sound quality is enhanced by the Burmester 4D system, which surrounds the occupants with immersive audio. Under the hood, the Maybach S680 boasts a 6.0-litre V12 engine that produces 621 horsepower, allowing it to reach 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. The 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system ensure a smooth and quiet ride. Safety is also emphasized, as the Maybach S680 is equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance systems. The host highlights that Mercedes-Benz prioritizes safety and pays attention to every detail. In conclusion, the host expresses their enthusiasm for the Maybach S680 and encourages viewers to subscribe to their channel. They also invite viewers to share their opinions on the features they like the most. The video ends with a preview of upcoming videos showcasing more impressive cars.